Welcome to my channel. This is Vicky. Today we'll be practicing words with sounds. Some can be spelled in different ways, like IR, OR, UR, ER. I have a long list to practice. Read along, repeat the words, stop or pause the video if you need to go slower. Write them in your English notebook. Say each word at least 2 to 4 times. I provide a picture on some of the words, just in case you don't know the meaning yet. We're practicing words to be understood and sound like a native speaker of English. Feel free to take your time and learn at your own pace. You can do 10 words at a time if that's easier. Then come back and do more. I list many to keep them in one place for you, but you can study as little or as much at a time as you feel is comfortable for you. See my other videos for more sound words list. I have many and adding more each week. Subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications when I upload a new video. I hope you enjoy learning and practicing with me. You can do it. Words with sounds. Let's go. Sound words. Better, better. Butter, butter. Center, center. Computer, computer. Dinner, dinner. Father, father. Feather, feather. Finger, finger. Flower, flower. Letter, letter. Mother, mother. Never, never. Paper, paper. Pepper, pepper. River, river. Silver, silver. Sister, sister. Summer, summer. Teacher, teacher. Under, under. After, after. Amber, amber. Anchor, anchor. Answer, answer. Baker, baker. Banner, banner. Blister, blister. Broker, broker. Burger, burger. Calendar, calendar. Charger, charger. Clover, clover. Corner, corner. Cover, cover. Cucumber, cucumber. December, December. Deliver, deliver. Ladder, ladder. Doctor, doctor. Driver, driver. Easter, Easter. Farmer, farmer. Filter, filter. Flatter, flatter. Flower, flower. Founder, founder. Future, future. Giver, giver. Hammer, hammer. Hunter, hunter. That's it for today's list. If you want to practice more words with sounds, see part 2. Thank you for practicing with me. To view my other videos, hit the channel name Visionary Vicky, then hit videos. Also, you can see some of the links in the description. I have many stories and other things to practice. You can do it. See you soon. Bye-bye.